The SIGA Group is made up of three businesses: the Installation Assurance Authority Federation, the Installation Assurance Authority, and the Installation Assurance Authority CS. The Installation Assurance Authority Federation, IAAF, provides support to members working in the energy efficiency sector to help with their development, growth, and ability to maximise opportunities through government and private funded work. The largest representative voice in the sector dedicated to energy efficiency measures, the IAA end-to-end offer is available to all members and covers a range of tools and services to enhance your business, providing quality, confidence and trust to your customers. All members can obtain micro-generation and PAS guarantees to single or multiple measures in the non-domestic, domestic and new build market. And their Able to Pay scheme offer those who are self-funding work access to guarantees that ensure they're protected and work is completed to a high standard. Expanding their energy efficiency measures, the IAA are also an MCS scheme provider, covering certification for ground and air source heat pumps, solar heating, solar PV, and battery storage. As a Trustmark scheme provider for all your data lodgement needs, and as one of only two organisations with a dispensation to reduce the inherent technical risk of a measure when using an approved system, the IAA can reduce your overall compliance cost whilst ensuring work continues to be delivered to the highest standard. Raising standards and compliance, the IAA provides certification for PAS 2030 across all installation measures, together with MCS certification for renewables, as well as providing a competent person scheme for cavity wall insulation, and in the near future, solid wall insulation, flat roof, and MCS. All IAA members have access to their own personal portal where they can download all sorts of materials such as best practice guides, technical notes, and homeowner packs. IAA members can also apply for associated PAS, ATP, and microgeneration guarantees through the portal. Through the IAACS, their in-house trained retrofit coordinators provide a Trustmark recognised PAS 2035 retrofit coordinator service scheme, as well as support with retrofit assessment covering pathways A, B and C. The IAA has the only approved process that can help your business evidence ventilation and avoid unnecessary installation of trickle vents and door undercuts where sufficient existing background ventilation is proven. A solution to your background ventilation requirements, the IAACS provide a field-based service including thermography and thermal performance. Recognising the limited number of systems to support the installation of these measures, the IAACS have partnered with Kiwa to provide an agreement approvals process for non-standard systems. Visit the new National Energy Efficiency Centre, showcasing renewable technologies and innovation, as well as providing training to those new to the industry and those needing to upskill on the latest technologies, systems and processes. Certificated qualifications and bespoke training programs are delivered in the classroom, and online theoretical training and purpose-built rigs are designed for practical training in various insulation and microgeneration technologies. All members are automatically granted access to use their independent surveillance of assessment through their own personal portal, and through their own property maintenance teams and call-off contractor framework, they offer a remedial service and enabling works. The Installation Assurance Authority is a technical authority for the installation industry. Backed with over 28 years of experience, you can be confident that installation heating and renewable works are carried out to the highest standards, subject to a level of rigour and surveillance to ensure it's done right, first time. The IAA is now a recognised international brand. We're delighted to be working with the Installation Academy, TIA in Australia, and together we have launched the Installation Assurance Authority, IIAA, an organisation that will mirror the IAA's right first time ethos in leading and representing the industry, as well as working with energy companies, stakeholders, central and local government and consumers in Australia. Start your journey by visiting the IAA website. Click apply, complete the 2-minute form, and you can become a member in just 12 working days.